The gear blank diameter calculator solves for outside diameter from teeth and module inputs. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a unit system drop-down menu with two options, metric module or imperial diametral pitch. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, we enter the module in millimeters. This defines the size of each tooth relative to the pitch circle. Then we input the number of teeth, which must be at least 1 with no maximum limit. Now for a worked example. I'll enter a module of 10 millimeters and number of teeth as 10. After clicking Calculate Gear Dimensions, we get 4 critical measurements. The outside diameter shows 120,000 millimeters. This is the total diameter including tooth height. The pitch diameter is 100,000 millimeters, where theoretical tooth contact occurs. The root diameter measures 75,000 millimeters, the diameter at the base of the teeth. Finally, tooth depth is 22,500 millimeters, the radial distance from outside to root diameter. This calculator streamlines gear blank sizing for manufacturing preparation. Find the link in the description below.